If you want to convert a 4K video in HandBrake the right way, this video is going to walk you through every step. We'll load the file, choose the right 4K preset, check the dimensions, pick the best video encoder, and start the encode so you can keep great quality without making the file size explode. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into HandBrake. First, open HandBrake and load your 4K video into the program. You can either drag and drop the file into the window or click Open Source and browse to the video you want to convert. Once the file is loaded, HandBrake will scan it and bring up all the available settings. Now the next thing you want to do is select a 4K preset. Go to the Presets menu, then look under General or Hardware, depending on which version of HandBrake you're using. From there, choose a 2160p option. A good example is something like Matroska H.265 MKV 2160p 64. Selecting a 4K preset gives you a strong starting point because HandBrake will automatically apply settings that are designed for ultra-high definition video. After that, go to the Dimensions tab. This is where you make sure the video stays in 4K resolution. Set the resolution limit to 2160p. That tells HandBrake not to scale your video down below 4K. Then check the scaled size section and verify that the width shows 3840. For true 4K UHD, 3840 by 2160 is the resolution you want to see. If those numbers are correct, you know the output will remain in 4K. Now move over to the Video tab because this is where the most important compression settings live. For video encoder, select H.265, also known as X265, or choose H.265 10-bit if that option is available. H.265 is much more efficient than H.264 for 4K video, which means you can keep very good quality while reducing the file size a lot more effectively. If you're working with modern devices and want better efficiency, H.265 10-bit is often an excellent choice. Next, find the quality setting and use the constant quality slider. For 4K video, a good range is usually between 22 and 28. Lower numbers give you higher quality, but they also create much larger files. Higher numbers reduce file size more, but you may start losing detail if you push it too far. If you want a balanced result, start somewhere around 24 or 25 and adjust from there based on your needs. If you're not sure what setting to choose, remember this simple rule. If quality matters most, go lower. If file size matters more, go a little higher. The best setting that depends on how you plan to use the video, whether that's archiving, uploading, editing, or playback on a specific device. Once everything looks good, take one last look through the settings to make sure your preset, resolution, encoder, and quality are all correct. Then click Start Encode. HandBrake will begin converting your 4K video using the settings you selected. Depending on the length of the video and your computer's performance, this may take some time, especially with H.265 encoding. When the encode finishes, your new 4K file will be ready to use, and that's really all there is to it. Load the video, select a 2160p preset, confirm the dimensions, choose H.265 or H.265 10-bit, set your quality range, and start the encode. If this video helped you, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.